Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Marvel vs. Capcom game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam, and Steam website will appear on the top, so you just open it. And now you will see the login option on the right hand top. Just click on the login option, and here just log into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create one. So once you create the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Once you download and install the Steam, then open it, then log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the Marvel vs. Capcom fighting, and this game will appear on the top, so just click on the game to open it. And guys, here just need to scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. Just click on the add to cart option and then click on the option of view my cart. And once you click on that, now click on the option of continue to payment, and here you need to pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, then click on the library you are seeing on the top, and your game was added to your Steam library. Just click on the game, click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, because this is all the motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.